students. Now, today we are discussing the chapter and exercise, and in this we are doing some numericals. So they are important, and now we start to solve the numericals. First one is seventh numerical. I have already written this question in my notebook. We wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror. Mind it, concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. So focal length means a distance from pole to focus. From pole to focus. This is the focal length. It is 15 centimeter. Now what should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror? If we wish to obtain erect image, so when erect image is obtained due to concave mirror, when the object is placed within the focal length, it means from 0 to 15, between 0 to 15, then we have an image erect and uh, erect image. What is the nature of the image? So if we put object in between P and F, so we have an image is erect and enlarged, and the nature of image is virtual. Is the image larger or smaller than the object? It is enlarged image. Draw a ray diagram to show the image. So to obtain an erect image of an object by concave mirror, object must be placed within the focal length. It means object is placed anywhere between pole and focus. It means 0 to 15 centimeter. Now we draw by diagram. So this is our object. We put object within the focal length less than 15 centimeter. Now first rule, a ray parallel to principal axis and passes, and after reflection it is passes through F. Now according to rule 3, the ray passes through C is not reflected. Reflect on the same path, and after extending backside, the image is obtained at here. This is our image. This is the object, and this is images. Image nature. Virtual, erect, and size magnified. So we obtain magnified image. It is virtual and erect. Now the second example, second question number 10 of our exercise. An object 5 centimeter in length, it means the object height is 5 centimeter, is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. It is a lens, converging lens. Converging lens means convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. So, object size 5 centimeter. Object distance is equal to 25. But here we have a converging lens. It means convex lens. And object is always placed on the left side of the lens or mirror. So object distance is always negative. And object size is positive. Why? Because it is the upward height. So it is positive. Now focal length. F is equal to 10 centimeter. For convex lens, the focal length focus is on the other side. Means the focal point of left curve is on the right side. So the focal length is positive. Now we have to find image distance and image height. We have to find this. Now, formula of lens. One upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. There we have to find V. So change the side of minus 1 upon U. So it is 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. 1 upon F, 1 upon 10. Minus 1 upon U, minus 25. This is minus and minus plus. So 1 upon 10 sorry 1 minus 1 upon U is plus, okay, sorry, 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 25. Now 25 LCM. So LCM is 50. 10 5s are 50, 25 2s are 50. In the table of both 10 and 25, 50, 10 5s are and 25 2s are. So 50 is the LCM. And 50 upon 10, 5. 5 1s are 5 and 25 2 1s are 2. It means 3 upon 50. 3 upon 50. So if we divide 3 by 50, but we have 1 upon V. So V is equal to 50 upon 3 is equal to 16 3s are 48 and 20. So 3 6 are. So it is 6 is repeated number. So it is 16.7 centimeter. So V is equal to 50 upon 3 is equal to 16.666 is equal to approximate 16.7 centimeter. So this is the image distance. Now draw the ray diagram and find the position size. So we have already the rough incomplete diagram is drawn here. Now this is the object at 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter OF1, it is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. We suppose OF1 is 10 centimeter. F1 to between F1 to F1 it is also 10 centimeter. So is the halfway, it is 25. Now it is convex lens, so image. It is 10 centimeter, it is 10 centimeter, 10, 10, 20 and on the halfway it is 5. So it is 25, total is 25. Now it is 10, but it is more than 15, but it is 16, between 16 and 17. It means we have our answer 16.7, it is approximately 16.7 centimeter. It is V. .7 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find size. We have to find size. We have position here. V is equal to 16.7 centimeter. It is positive. So it is positive. So it is other side of the lens. Now size of the image. So we have to find magnification. Magnification is equal to h dash upon h is equal to v upon u. Height of the image h dash. So v into h upon u. So we can take v is equal to 50 upon 3 or 60.6, any one of them. So 50 upon 3. So v is equal to 50 upon 3. H height is equal to 5 centimeter. And u is equal to minus 25. So 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 fives are. So it is 50 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 5. 5 tens are 15. So it is 10 upon 3.